I'm here with one of my lovely patients from South Carolina.
Yes.
And you got a smile on your face.
I do have one. It's wonderful. No pain today at all.
And you had back pain for almost 10 years on and off, and really bad for the last 5 years. Is that back pain still there?
No.
Gone.
Gone. No pain in my legs. Walked 20 minutes last night. Amazing. I couldn't walk 10 seconds.
Now, why did you come all the way to Florida to Deuk Spine to have your back fixed?
I was up for a fusion. That's not what I wanted. I have a friend I met 10 years ago in Michigan. I saw it on Facebook and called her and talked to her, and she gave me a very, very good report of you.
Oh, so I treated your friend 10 years ago.
No, you treated her just in the past few weeks.
I see. And she recommended us.
She did.
And you came here.
I did.
And you had faith that we would fix your back.
I did. I had prayed about this and prayed about it, and God led me to you. Truly, truly believe that.
I agree. Did the spine surgeon that recommended fusion, did they talk to you about laser surgery?
No, I never heard of laser surgery before.
And they told you had to have a fusion, didn't they?
They did. I was going to try a stimulator. I was actually scheduled to try a stimulator in the next few weeks. I'm not going to have to do that.
You don't
now.
need that
I don't
anymore,
have to do
right?
that.
Those
I don't have to do that.
stimulators and fusions, that's how they make all that money. And you, the patient, suffer. So we kept you from having to have that done.
You did.
How is life going to be now with your new back?
It's going to be wonderful. It's going to be wonderful. I can do what I want to. Well, not yet, but I can pretty much do what I want to and get back to my life. My husband told me, right, gardening.
You like gardening,
don't you? He said, I feel like I got my Mary Jane back. So I love gardening. I can't wait till spring. I can start doing a little bit.
I just talked to your husband, and he seems very happy. And that's something that a lot of people don't think about, is the impact on their spouse of having chronic back pain. Well, you can see we had 2 discs that we had to fix, and you had a slippage of your bones. And that's probably why they told you you had to have a fusion. But you don't have to have a fusion for those slippages. We can fix it with the laser. You can see that we use the laser in there to clean out those herniations. And your surgery went perfect. That was just yesterday, less than 24 hours ago.
Exactly.
Are you on any pain medicines?
No. I took some Tylenol about 4 o'clock this morning. I don't have anything.
No pain? Yeah.
No.
And you have an itty-bitty little cut on your back from the laser surgery.
Little bitty.
Anything you want to say to your family and friends out there?
I just want to say thank you for your prayers. I know this is where I was supposed to be. God led me here, and I know that.
Amen.
Amen.
You travel safe, okay?
Okay,
Back to South Carolina.